Hello.
Hello.
We're at the outside of Bubby's house in the front yard, and Daddy is doing a swivel.
What's a swivel?
A swivel is where Daddy holds us and goes like this, or goes backwards, fast, and also, we each get 4 turns.
Does a swivel cost any money?
Sometimes 2 backwards, and for me, I'm gonna have. What are you having, Gabby? 2 backwards and 2 forward? Yeah. Gabby's having 2 backwards and 2 forward. I'm 3 forward and 1 backwards.
Okay. All right. Hit it.
First.
Here it is. Ready? Okay. Here's 1, 2, 3, and a fast one.
Wow. Are you dizzy?
Bardo, you want 2 back and 1 front?
No, I'm having 3 forward, 1 back forward,
Where?
2 regular forward, and 1 back.
Is a feather?
I don't know.
Okay, guys.
Okay, 1 forward.
Hi.
Bye.
Yeah, 2 forward, 1 back forward, and 1 regular.
Okay, guys. Mommy's taping you.
Okay, here we go.
1, 2, 3. I'll have 1 more backward.
And 1 fast.
It's
Do that thing you used to do, TikTok or something.
a good thing. It's better than the purple slide.
All right.
It's better than the purple slide.
Yeah, you did not like
The
that.
purple slide was like a roller
See.
coaster.
Yeah, but at least I caught you. Oh, hello, Gabby. Hello, Gabby.
Okay, let's do TikTok. Dad, let's go TikTok.
Hi from California. Gabby, I think Daddy's tired. Bye-bye.
Bye.